Hi, it's Daphne with Babinski's Baby, and we wanted to just take a minute and do a quick box open on the Doona Car Seat Stroller. If you have been thinking about a Doona, you're headed the right direction. What you want to do is not think about it as a stroller. This is it right here. Super cute. A lot of people come in and say, but then I'll need to buy another stroller in a year. No. Think of this as a super cool car seat, a car seat with wheels. We love the Doona. We hope if you're looking at this video, that means you've already bought one and you're just wanting to unpack it. I want to show you how easy it is to get started without even having to open up the manual. Okay, I've taken the tape off the box. This is just for dramatic effect, having the box and everything. Dun, dun, dun. We're gonna open this up. The car seat is wrapped in plastic here. The base, just leave that in the box until you're ready to install that. The base will go directly into your car. So we're really just talking about this piece here. We're gonna take it out of the plastic. And take off the packing materials. Don't forget to register it. It's a really good thing to do. The card's right there. It's a car seat, it's not a stroller. So if we have any recalls or any safety information that needs to get transported to you, we want to make sure that Doona knows how to get a hold of you. So register it. Right here out of the box, it's pretty much ready to go. What you want to do is you want to take a look at this so you can see what you're going to be doing here. This is a two-part safety system. We push in on this red button while simultaneously, so push in and then pull up on this gray clip here. You can see that moving. That will release the wheels. I'll show you again. I'm going to do that and the wheels go down like that. Okay, we are going to push the buttons on both sides, this little piece here, and lift the handle this way, and then we're going to bring it one more click to us and pull it up. It's a three-part opening system. We release the wheels, we bring the handle toward us, and then we can lift it up. It has to go sequentially. Now you're all ready to go stroll around and then drive wherever you want in the Doona car seat that kind of acts like a stroller. Super cool. Okay, take care. Bye.